Story Saturday Writing Prompt. My name is Lisa M. Cowan from goodstoriesgrowhere.com, and I teach online courses on writing meditation and writing, and I help people to connect to their senses and to what's going on inside them and to the world around them through writing. So welcome. Today we're going to be doing a 5-minute writing prompt, and I have a special meditation that is related to nature. I feel like I don't know about you, but it's been pretty intense these past few weeks with what's going on in the world with the coronavirus and different things that are coming up every single day. We're being bombarded by the news. It's pretty overwhelming. I have to admit that I had a meltdown this week, and I'm thinking, what's going on? It's times like this when it's really important to stay centered and listen to your body and really connect to your emotions. I believe that a lot of people, me included, everybody really is probably dealing with grief on some level, and the fact that our world is changing and we don't know what the future holds. So this meditation hopefully will help with that. It'll help to connect you. I find that nature is often a good way to ground myself. So we're going to start with the meditation. So I'll ask you, if it feels safe for you to do so, to please close your eyes. And I'm just going to read one quote from a favorite Indian of mine, Rabindranath Tagore. "Trees are the earth's endless effort to speak to the listening heaven." Love that quote. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through 4 elements, and we're going to together connect to those elements, write an exercise based on those elements. So the first one is the tree. Okay, so let's just close our eyes, feel safe, and take a couple of nourishing breaths here. Nice inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now I'd like you to imagine for a moment that your body is rooted to the ground. Feel a thickly entwined root system moving from your toes down into the moist, fertile earth. Your legs and torso are strong yet supple. You stand upright, your arms reaching up and your head in the sky. Now picture that your skin is actually bark. Take a few moments to think about its roughness and the textured grooves that run from your head all the way down to your feet. Now, what does that bark skin feel like? How does it protect you? Imagine also that your arms are branches, leaves growing plentifully from your fingertips. So let's just take a couple of moments here to feel what that feels like to be a tree. Now we're going to move on to a blade of grass. Now you are very small, and plants and trees tower above you. The air is moist and delectable. Take the wholesome, fresh air into your body as you breathe in and feel your lungs expand. Notice how the sun shines through the trees as a soft wind sends ripples of pleasure through you. Sense the thinness of your body, yet at the same time feel how soft and malleable you are. The wind moves through you and you don't break, but rather you bend to one side and then the other and come back just as you were before. So let's take a couple of breaths here, just breathing in that feeling of being still as a blade of grass and moving with the wind, but staying rooted. Now the next natural element is the pebble on the beach. The tide is coming in and you feel yourself being gently pulled onto the beach that is abundant with broken shells, driftwood, and stones of different shapes and colors. Sense the roughness of sand beneath you and the cool, salty water passing over you. You are being sucked back into the sea, water stirring all around you. Instead of trying to fight the current, let your body drift with its ebb and flow. How does it feel to float like this without trying to change anything? Listen to the whispering sound of sand as you are transported onto the shore and then back to the sea. So again, let's take a couple of moments. Breathe that in, what it feels to be that pebble being pushed back and forth into the sea. And the last element is water. Now imagine that you are the water that's sifting sand and pebbles on the shore. You are fluid and able to flow into the tiniest crevices in a rock and to also shape stones and landscapes. Weightless yet strong enough to alter whatever you wish. Sense the roughness of the beach under you. Spread your body over it, sifting and bringing particles of sand out to sea. Feel how effortlessly you move over stones, pieces of wood, crab bodies, and seashells. Now let's just take a couple of moments to really feel what it feels like to be water. And then when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Now for the writing exercise, you probably guessed it. I'd like you to choose one of the natural elements that you became in the meditation and write a story over the 5 minutes featuring you as that element. Okay, I'm just going to set the timer on and I'll let you know when a few minutes is up, when 2 or 3 minutes is up, and then just before the 5-minute mark. Okay, let's get started. Okay, there's 2.5 minutes left. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, 5 seconds. Okay, that's time. I hope that was interesting for you. It's a bit different than what I usually do, a little bit of a longer meditation. I felt that given the circumstances of what's going on, that it was important to do something a little bit longer and take you through the weekend. Hopefully that was nourishing to you and that you enjoy the writing prompt as well. And yeah, if you're interested in looking me up, you can go to goodstories.com and see some of the courses that I teach online, and I also teach one-on-one. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'm wishing you a wonderful weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.